Try not to do too much dirty work in here because it's a shared space. My kids use this as a playroom as well. It's a 4-car garage. I have a little, very small portion of it. This is my bandsaw. It's a Boyce Crane, like 1960s era bandsaw, 14-inch. I picked it up for $100, I believe, and it's awesome. It's worth way more than $100. It works really well. Came with blades. Worked great when I got it. Just an awesome machine. I love it. And the reason I got that is I've gotten into doing a lot of wood. This is a bunch of curly and spalted maple that I've got sitting here, just in blocks. I'm gonna cut that into scales eventually and stabilize them myself or send them out. I'm not sure which. Compressor, use that to blow off my cooling plates. This is my heat treating oven that I built. It's about 3,600 watts, about 23 inches deep. It's got a PID, which is basically a smart, it's like a learning, like a little computer really. It's this little box right here. So what it does is it takes, takes temperature information from the thermocouple that sticks down in the oven. It gets that information in, and then you program it for the temperature you want. It also does ramp and soak time, so you can tell it, I want you to, sit at 1500 degrees and then take 10 minutes to ramp up to 1800 degrees and sit there for 10 minutes. You can program that all in. So what it does is it takes the information from the oven, the temperature, current temperature, and it will open and close the current going to the coils in the oven, which are there's two coils, and they are Kanthal wire, which I bought and wound on a mandrel. So there's two coils, and those get really, really bright, hot. This oven gets up to, I take it up to 1975 degrees. It'd probably go higher. Fire brick, welded it together. So again, saved a lot of money building it myself. Took a while, but it works really well. So that's that. These are my quench plates. They're in carpenter's vices. When I'm actually heat treating, I just pull this drawer out, clamp those to the edge of the drawer, and then I've got these plates. So when I'm air quenching steels, I'll put the blanks, take them out of the oven, put them between the plates, and clamp them down. That keeps them flat, helps them cool off a little quicker, and keeps them from warping while they're cooling off. Welding gloves, tongs, long pliers to pull my hot blanks out of the oven. Fire extinguisher, safety first. And this is the latest thing I just got. It's a Rockwell hardness tester. Picked this up, again used, good deal on it. So I will know exactly what the hardness on my knives is for every single blade I can test. Works really well. So far it's fully functional. I had to clean it up and lubricate it, but other than that, it's working great. So that's pretty much the whole tour. Thanks.